Waterville, Maine is experiencing, dare I say, a renaissance period. And one of the great reasons is because a small business is opening up, just like Matrix Minerals at 120 Drummond Avenue in Waterville, Maine. I keep pointing to you guys because this is important. It's important. We're here with Shane, and he is the owner, founder, inventor, creator, sole proprietor of Matrix Minerals. So when someone drives in to Matrix Minerals right here in Waterville, what can they expect when they open the door?
A wide variety of gems and minerals from all over the world. They're not just from Maine, they're from everywhere. We have stuff from Pakistan, Morocco, Indonesia, United States, Canada. It could be from anywhere. We strive to have a wide variety of minerals, so the more minerals we have, the better.
I love it. Well, let's go inside and see what you got when we step into Matrix Minerals. Shane, this is quite the unique specimen we have right here. Can you tell our viewers a little bit about this? Wow.
Yes, the green is going to be chrysocolla, which is kind of gemmy for as small as they are. And then the matrix rock is actually dolomite. Baby Yoda out of fluorite, hand carved, which it UV fluoresces under UV, obviously. We also have some anatomically correct human hearts made out of mahogany obsidian. Very, very unique. This is a citrine. This is what everybody normally sees in most stores, which is a really nice crystal, but it started out as a piece of amethyst, purple, and it's usually called citrine. But here we also have these and these.
Oh,
the real natural citrine. You can always find many forms of gems and minerals here. We try our best to have a really wide variety. We're not just a crystal store, but we're a mineral store.
That'll do it for another episode of the Maine Bricklin. So the next time you're cruising through Waterville, Maine, make sure you stop by 120 Drummond Avenue and enter Matrix Minerals.
Watch the Maine Bricklin.
Yeah. All right.
Whoa!
Talking to Danny and Caitlin, owners of Joseph's. I appreciate you guys having me over today.
Anytime.
Don't say that, because I'll be here at like midnight saying, you told me I could be here. If someone watching the show has never been inside the market, what can they expect when they visit the store?
We specialize in our own sausage, so we do have quite the wide variety of that. We do our best to make everyone's first experience or repeated experience just as entertaining and fun.
The store looks amazing. It really does. You've rebooted, revitalized, revamped quite a bit.
Well, we put a little love into it. We put new floor in, new lights, we painted it, put some new counters in.
Tell the viewers what a typical day entails here at Joseph's.
Well, a typical day is just prepping everything, getting the cases filled. The girls are usually packaging the meat, making sausage, just filling stuff up for the customers.
Danny, this is actually one of my favorite items right here, the Philly steak and cheese sausage.
Yeah, we have many flavors of sausage, and this being one of them, probably the most popular.
I don't believe this is dog food. This is like beyond gourmet.
So we have two kinds. This is just ground beef, and this is chicken and vegetable.
And the extra ingredient?
Is love.
I didn't even write that down for her. She just said it. Danny, for the viewers that don't know, tell them a little bit about the history and legacy about Joseph's Market.
Well, obviously the Josephs own this business. I worked with Roy Joseph, who was Kevin's father, amazing family. We want to keep the history here as much as we can with pictures and some of the old equipment that we have around. We just want to keep it what it used to be, but also modernize it a little bit.
I appreciate you guys watching another fun episode of the Maine Bricklin. So the next time you're cruising down Front Street in Waterville, Maine, make sure you stop into Joseph's Market. 100 years. They've been a staple in our community. We have tons of cars, tons of people, tons of food. The weather has held off. Tell me a little bit about today and why we're here.
Certainly. So we're in our 8th year of this car show that we put on, and we're raising money for the Maine Children's Cancer Program. And we're expecting hopefully around 200 cars today. We are blessed. Rain is going to hold off until we're done, which would be great. Great food and prizes, and we would like to raise around $30,000 is what we're targeting to raise today.
My name is Lori.
Lori, tell me about this incredible Challenger.
This is my everyday baby. I drive this year-round, in the winter as well. 2017 Dodge Challenger V6.
Has it won anything before?
Yes, I have a nice little shelf of trophies.
You have an entire shelf of trophies.
I do. My first time doing this car show back about 3 years ago, I took second place.
You look like one of the Smothers Brothers. The other one, the one that doesn't do the yo-yo. So tell me a little bit about this Thunderbird. What year is it? Tell me about the color. Good Lord, it's great.
It's a 65 Thunderbird, Acadian Blue. It's got a 390 4-barrel, 300 horse, pretty much stock machine.
Just wanted to let you know, I got this incredible package from Tim Palmer, owner, operator, and inventor of the Bricklin factory. He made this Bricklin. Look at this. He made it. Ooh, he made it out of resin. Usually the resin I'm used to is at the bottom of my bowl. Oh, wow. Keep in mind, he made this by hand. Check it out. Check out Tim and the Bricklin factory on Facebook and on their website. Definitely support them. Support them and their small business. Support them and their small business, please and thank you.
Hi, I'm Tim Palmer from the Bricklin Factory, and my top 3 favorite Bricklin activities would be 1, driving my Bricklin. Number 2 would be building accurate Bricklin models for you. And number 3 would be watching my buddy Eli on the Maine Bricklin on Facebook and on YouTube.
We're at Dawson Stock 2.0. It's Eli and Michael Boyd, the Maine Bricklin. I say Michael Boyd because our daughter Jewel, she says, "Daddy, what's the name of the Bricklin?" And the name of the Bricklin is now Michael Boyd because of Jewel. She's named the Bricklin Michael Boyd. Today, we're gonna be talking to several dozen vendors. Lots of great music will be here, the Bricklin's here. It's Dawson Stock 2.0.
Seven years ago, and just a little grow in our backyard. and with our clients, and we've gone to wholesale. I did it to help people, you know, and we've helped quite a few.
5 years ago, to take away shoulder pain, I tore my rotator cuff. Now I take it as a sleep aid. It helps with my day-to-day life.
We do it for the people.
For the people.
For the people. Tell our viewers what we got going on today.
Well, we have some dog treats right here.
You give this to your dog and their life won't be rough.
So the Higher Class is a medical cannabis shop in Calais. We do flower, we do joints, we do the specialty moon cones. Lahan does all of my baking.
You ain't gonna find a better tasting cookie, that's for darn sure.
What brings you out to Dawson Stock today besides obviously looking exactly like Tom Cruise?
We're a Central Maine function. We're in the Bangor area. Just here to have a good time.
But thanks for watching another fun-filled episode of the Maine Bricklin. We're coming to you live from Dawson Stock 2.0. We had a killer time, and we'll see you on the flippity-dip. The Maine Bricklin is currently filming our new season, and we want you to be on our show and on the Bricklin. Send the Maine Bricklin a message on Facebook or Instagram, or email us at themainbricklin@gmail.com for more information. Expanded hours and fully stocked with fresh, quality products. Rediscover the old world at Joseph's Market, Front Street in Waterville. Next time you're about to roll up to downtown Skowhegan. Stop by Nuggies to see your best buds. Glass pieces, amazing flour, CBD products, and every 420 accessory for the plant lover in your life. For the best seamless gutters, contact CM Home and Property Services now. Make your wedding truly epic. Contact Epic View Studios now for wedding videography, photography, DJs, and more. Gifts for everyone on your list are at Maine Wholesale Distributors in Benton. We have toys for all ages, mystical dragons, amazing silicone and glass pieces, metal signs, and much more, all at prices you won't find anywhere else. At Maine Wholesale Distributors, you can get all of your holiday shopping done under one roof. If you're looking for unique, high-quality, and affordable gifts, visit Maine Wholesale Distributors on the Unity Road in Benton and like us on Facebook.
Quality and value at a rock-bottom price.
The Maine Bricklin is brought to you by Century 21 Nason Realty, 11 Bay Street in Winslow. Visit them online, c21nason.com. For more information on the Bricklin SV1, visit the Bricklin SV1 Appreciation Group on Facebook and get involved in the conversation now. The Maine Bricklin is also sponsored in part by Rendezvous, the ultimate car enthusiast website. Visit rendezvous.com now.